Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to define anonymous or inline function in Python. If you need to supply a short callback function for use with an operation, but you don't want to write a separate one-line function using the def statement, there is a simple way to do this by using a simple function that do nothing more than evaluate an expression and can be replaced by a lambda expression. Let's see how to do it. So I will have an expression which will add two numbers, and I will name a function add, and it's set to lambda expression, and then I will have two values, a comma b, and then I'm going to add these two values, a plus b, and the result will go into our this add function. It is similar to this, defining a add function like this over here. Define add, it takes two arguments, a and b, and then it just return a plus b, the sum of a and b. So this function definition is the same, the one over here, just one line. I will remove this one, and now we are going to call this function add and pass in some values such as 5 and 10, and also I'm going to print the return value, and I will save this script and run. And when I run this script, we can see the sum of these two values is 15 printed. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll send code. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.